Hello everyone, welcome back to Prince YahweTV. And today we're going to discuss about DepEd Memorandum Number 014 Series of 2021 entitled Interim Guidelines on the Preparation on Submission format of School Form 9 or Progress Report Card or Report on Learning Progress and Achievement. So this is my template. You can download the template on the description below. Okay, so this is the school form 9 template that I created. Before anything else, I make this for educational purposes only, and I make this also for my co-teachers. And this is not an official template of school form 9 or school report card. This is just the template of our school. Okay, so this is, you need to write your name here, age, sex, section, and LRN of the student, number of days present here of the attendance, school head, and also here you need to put grades here. And the last part that I make is here, the learning modality. You can choose modular, digital, online, educational, TV, radio broadcasting, homeschooling, or blended. But in our school, we use learning modality, which is modular, printed, or in first, second to fourth. But if you have online class, you can change also. So this is the only difference that the DepEd order the new format of School Form 9 or Report on Learning Progress and Achievement. This is only the difference. There is a learning modality at the bottom. And I have also for senior high, also for grade 11 subjects, I also put here the learning modality here. As you can see, I put the learning modality here. It could be modular print, modular digital, online, educational TV, radio-based instruction, homeschooling, and blended. But in our school, the learning modality that we use is modular print. So same format of the school form card before. I just put the learning